Hi there, this is Christy. I'm glad you're here. I'm a former first grade teacher turned online educator. And today we're going to talk about Pinterest video pins, like the ones you're seeing on my screen, why they can be the most powerful free marketing tool available to you right now, and why most people are sleeping on them. If you've ever felt invisible on Pinterest, I get it. You post content, you hear crickets, or you just had no idea what to even post on Pinterest. But this video is going to change how you think about that whole platform. You decide. So go grab your coffee. I've got mine right here. I got this at Kirkland's. And this cute, it says mug of motivation. So it works. So if you got your coffee, let's go. Okay, so if you've been staring at Canva, and what you're looking at right here are the pins, the video pins that I have created within Canva. And to use this, you just go to canva.com and set up an account. Okay. So if you love Canva, you don't know what Canva is, it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. You don't have to be an artist to use this. So let me paint a picture for you. You decide today's the day you're going to make a Pinterest pin. You open Canva, you're full of motivation. About an hour later, you switch colors, you switch fonts, and you've tried 3 different layouts. And honestly, it still doesn't look right and you're not happy, and so you close the tab again. And I've been there so many times. I really, really understand. Um, and I realize the problem is never your creativity. It's that starting from scratch with, a Canva template is sometimes exhausting and it's just not sustainable. So Pinterest rewards consistency. I've got pins on there that have been on there for years. The problem with starting from scratch is, you just start over and you lose your momentum. Pinterest also rewards volume. Okay. It rewards people who show up regularly with good content. And I have to say, Canva allows you to create really good content. If you simply cannot do that, if every single pin takes an hour to make, you're just going to give up. So that's why done for you video pins like these that I do every month is exactly what this video is about. So if you're tired of posting and you get zero engagement, you might want to look at these. The elephant in the room is, if you posted on Pinterest and the views were not really inspiring, what you don't know is Pinterest is not like the other platforms. It's not a social media platform. You don't go in there to chat or to find out, what your Aunt Sue is doing. It is a visual search engine and it's run on keywords. It's really more like Google than it is Instagram. And right now, the content that Pinterest is pushing to the top when someone searches is video, especially animated pins like these, moving graphics. And I'll show you some in a minute. So stay with me. And if you're new here, please subscribe and like to the channel. It really helped me out a lot, a lot. I really appreciate it. Static images, which is just an image that you post that doesn't move, don't have the same reach that they used to. And Pinterest algorithm, which is the way it filters content and puts it in a certain order, it's telling us what it wants, and it wants video. But making quality video pins from scratch, as I know, requires a lot of time, a lot of design skills, a lot of trial and error. And most of us just don't have the mental bandwidth at the end of the day, beginning of the day, to do that. So what's the solution? I'm going to show you in a minute, because I actually do done for you pins every month, video pins like these. But the real reason your Pinterest pins aren't getting views is so many people are making the same mistake. But it's so simple. If you post something static and you wonder why the reach is flat, it's because video pins get significantly more distribution right now. And the mistake number 2 is people don't use keywords. Like when someone's going in to Pinterest and they're looking for a specific thing that your pin is going to talk about, you have to put that thing, which is the keyword. If it's fall printable, you would put fall printable. If it's an Amazon product like a makeup brush, you would put makeup brush. If it's a nail design kit, you would put nail design kit. So that's first of all, you don't do just the still pictures. And second of all, you have to make sure that the title and the board of the Pinterest pin that you are making matches what people are searching for. Because remember, Pinterest is like Google, it is a search engine. And the mistake number 3 is inconsistency. One pin a week or one pin a month or one pin every couple months it's not gonna do it. It's just not gonna do it. You need volume and you need it regularly. So here's the beautiful thing about all 3 of these problems. They're all solved when you have professional pins already done for you, ready to post every single month. And this is the shortcut that I wished I'd had a long time ago. Here's the thing, you don't have to be a designer. You don't. And you don't have to be techie to show up on Pinterest. I mean, I'm just going to bust that right now, that belief. There is an easier way, and it's these pins done for you that I offer every month. So let's go into Canva and actually take a look at some of these video pins. I have a pinning club, and right now there's a link below. You can get in there for $7 free trial for 1 month, and then it's $19 after that. So let's take a look. Okay, I'm just going to scroll through. This is February 2026. These are the ones that are available. Here is January 2026. Aren't these cute? And you can go into Canva and you can make the words, the text, say anything you want to. It can advertise anything. Like if you're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, on Threads, wherever you are, you can use these not only for Pinterest. So you just go in there and you would change the titles, the words, but they're already done for you and they move, they're animated. And they have music. Now you can use this music on Pinterest. You can upload it. I can't do it here because the music doesn't jive with YouTube's rules. But if you go to the page below this, you can see what the videos look like. Okay, and some of my favorite are the seasonal ones, like these for November. Super cute. Look at that little squirrel, deer, and we'll just keep going. This was December, which, it's always really, really fun to use Christmas and winter themes. And again, they're already done for you, and it's only $7 trial. Right now, I'm offering for a whole month, and you get 3 years worth of these already done for you. You have to sign up for Canva to use these. Okay, and here's fall. And here's this. I think it's like one of my best kept secrets because I don't advertise it a lot, but I've had people stay in there for months and months and months because it's already done for you. I mean, who doesn't want video pins already done for you? So again, you have to have a Canva account. You can sign up for free. Some of these images are pro, but most of them are not. You can always substitute some of the free ones from inside of Canva or Creative Fabrica. I love Canva Pro though. I think it's very, very affordable. But again, you can start with the free version. And again, I have like 3 years worth. 3 years that you can download. You start at $7 first month and $19 a month after that. And it just goes on because I have been doing this for 3 years. And I think it'll really save you like a ton of time, a ton. And again, you can make these say anything that you want to, depending on what you're advertising on any social platform. I would start with Pinterest. And again, these have music, but I can't play it because it doesn't jive with YouTube's rules about the music. But again, if you go to the sales page, it'll show you what the music sounds like, which I think is so fun. This one is really cool. And if you have any questions about it, I will put my email below and you can ask away. My favorite ones, again, are like the seasonal printables, videos. Oh, and speaking of printables, this also comes with 5 printables a month for free. 5 printables a month. And you can use them and you can resell them if you want to. You don't have to. You can just use them and enjoy them. Like this is one of the dashboard covers that comes with the membership. This comes in there, blood pressure log. There's all kinds there's 3 years worth of printables, 5 and planners, some digital planners, 3 years worth. And it goes on and on and on. This is one of my favorites right here is the Easter Pinterest video pen. Comes with trackers, checklist, digital planners. I mean, what a steal for to start with $7. First month, cancel anytime. Yeah, you can see I started back in 2023. It's now 2026, and I load these up every month, a different set. And I think it's super fun, and it comes with like animated moving parts, and that's what catches people's eyes when they're in Pinterest are the moving videos. So it gives you an advantage. So anyway, I hope that helps. Love to have you join us. And if you would give me a like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. I hope that's helpful to you to know that there are some time-saving remedies when you want to be on Pinterest, you want to be in all these places, but you just don't have time to make the content. Then just take mine. Okay? Thanks. I'll see you soon. Bye now.